What's up, Bessie?
Hello, home skillet. G. What's your name?
Jorge.
Hi, Jorge. My name is Steve.
Steve what?
Schmerkel. What's your last name?
Jimenez. Wait 1 second. Your last name's Urkel, isn't it?
No, it's not. That's my cousin.
Well, what's up, Bessie? You wanna be my Essie?
Essie. Sure, friend.
I'm gonna beat you up, Bessie. Don't you know I'm loco?
Loco. Crazy? Wait 1 second. Do I want to be friends with a crazy guy or not? No!
What? Wait, what?
Ah! No, please, Mr. Beast. My nasal spray. My precious nasal spray. Oh.
What that? You read books? How to talk gangsta for nerds.
My nasal spray. My nasal spray.
Okay. What the heck? No! Stay back, homie!
You've really done it this time, Essie!
I don't want to be a gangster no more. My pants fall down too much.
Become one of us. Become one of us. Now you look cool. Dang, nasal spray. Become one of us. We're cool.